Hello everyone, this is a friend guy. So I have not done video for quite some time today. Opening one of my favorite Gundams, Gundam Wing from Gundam Converge, Fusion Work 293. Nice number. This is like the remake of the Wing Gundam. There's a couple of versions from Bandai. So let's get to it. Just open it. I think the newer Gundam Converge doesn't give you the candy gun, the gum. Here's a gum kind of. Originally they were making this for the kids, but now like the people who's actually collecting are the adults because the nature of the price of this kit is expensive. Grab my scissor quickly. Also, this is my new setup. Hopefully you guys like this new setup. It's right in front of my computer desk, so hopefully this be a norm going forward to do more videos. Been very busy with work, career, etc. Now finally I had a setup that seems like it's workable. Alright, just hold the components. The wing, the shield, the antenna, the main body. Like that. Just put it in like that. Pretty good. Yep. Alright, so the wing is a little bit appears to the form factor they make it so it's less real, but the main body overall looks pretty good. The head looking pretty good compared to the other one half, and then put on the shield, that, and then the beam rifle. So this will be what it looks like. Put side and put on the foot stand like that. Here we go. Wing Gundam. Alright, hope you guys like it, and then like the video, comment, and then subscribe if possible and see more content. Thanks.